Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change name of hotspot network on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so if you want your hotspot network to be easily recognized by other people, then you can change the name of your hotspot network so that is easy to recognize and easy to connect to. And how to change name of hotspot network is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay guys, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can go to portable hotspot menu, and then now you can go to setup portable hotspot, and then now you can change the name of your hotspot network, and then you can click checklist, and then so yeah, here's your name of hotspot network has already changed. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.